Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Myra. Thank you so much for stopping in today. Today we're going to be doing a special unboxing. I have been waiting for this box for a while and I'm super excited that it finally arrived, so I just had to sit down and I had to film. And it is the Beautylish Lucky Bag for 2019. So I'm so excited and I really want to know what's inside. So let's go ahead and get started. The only thing I did was I just removed the tape here. So we're both gonna be surprised. Okay, so the Beautylish Lucky Bags are usually sold once a year on December 26th. I got the $75 box with shipping and everything. I think it came out to like $82. They give you mystery items, so I don't know what's inside this box, but they all are from the Beautylish website, so that's totally exciting. Okay, when you open it, this is what it looks like. It has little sumo wrestlers surrounded by makeup, so it is super cute. I think it's super cute. And it has the little tag right here. Okay. Inside, everything is wrapped in black paper. We're going to remove the top. Just throw it on the side. And I'm going to put this down here. And let's see. Okay, so here's the little baggie full of all their little stuff. The rest of it is just paper. So I'm going to start opening this up. Okay. So I have seen a few unboxings. I'm totally excited. So let's see what we got. Okay, so the first thing in here is from Sugarpill. And it's a liquid lip color. And I actually have never tried anything from them. So let's see what color we got. Oh my gosh, and it's Trinket. I have been dying for this liquid lipstick, you guys. Like, you have no idea. It is, I love their packaging. It's super cute, and this color, I even, because Sugarpill is also now sold at Ulta, and I've been stocking the color, but it keeps being sold out. It is gorgeous. Look at that. Let's see. It's a beautiful pinky mauve. It's just, oh my gosh. I'm so excited to have this. And it smells really good. Oh my god, it smells like oranges. So our first item, super excited, so let's keep going. Okay, next thing is from Oribe, and it's their Gold Lust Nourishing Hair Oil. So the only other things that I've tried from them, I believe, is like their dry shampoo and their texturizing spray, and I really do like them. And this is what the actual product looks like. And I know for hair care, they are a pretty expensive brand. I'll list down in the comment box the prices of all this and how much my bag was actually worth. So next thing in here says coming soon from Beautylish. And it is, and I actually saw a lot of people getting stuff from this brand. If I can get it out of the packaging, maybe not. So this is from Good Molecules, and it's a Wake Up Eye Serum. And I'm always excited about skincare, so this is pretty cool. Let's see. And it's new to Beautylish, so I'm glad that they included items they actually don't have on the website yet, but they are coming. And this is what the product looks like. And it's got a little dropper. Okay, so far, I mean, I'm really happy with my box. Okay, next thing in here, it is a Wayne Goss brush, and I'm always excited to get brushes, and especially from him. And this is a number 19, and it's really nice and pointy and really super soft. And this is only the second time that I received the Beautylish bag, and last year when I got it, I also got a Wayne Goss brush, so super cool. Okay, There's 2 more things in our box. Okay, next one is from VDL Lumilayer Metal Cushion Primer. So it's this right here. So I actually have never tried anything from them. Oh, cool. And there's actually 2 of them in here. So this is what it looks like. And it's got a nice mirror in here. It's got the little sponge, and then it's got the little thing you remove for the actual product. So that's nice because in here there's also another sponge and a refill. And let me see what it says. It says it's a primer. Okay, so it says a primer that fresh content maintained by metal plate soothes skin, and Lumilayer pigment brightens up complexion, which makes your face look more healthy and glowing. Okay, so I'm all about the glowing life, so totally excited, pretty cool. And the last thing in here is a bubble wrap. And I think it's something else that I also have wanted, but I just haven't actually purchased, and I'm glad I didn't. Is it? Yes, it is. This is from Viseart, and it's the Tryst palette. I think that's the way you pronounce it. And this is actually in my Sephora cart. But these are like $50, so I'm like, do I really need it? No, probably not. So I was holding off on it, and I am so glad that I did. Oh my gosh, though, it's beautiful. Okay, so it's got a big mirror, and then this is what the colors look like. You see, there we go. So it's really gorgeous. You got sparkly shades in here, and then you got pinks and mauves and purples, which are actually my favorite. So I'm totally excited to have received this. Okay, so overall, for my second year, I have to say I'm very happy with my bag. Okay, we got the Visi Art Palette, which, like I said, that alone I know is like $50. And then the Sugarpill Trinket Lipstick, which I have wanted, and this I know retails, I think it's like $18 to $21. And again, I'll list down all the prices and everything down there. And I got the Oribe Gold Lust Hair Oil, the Good Molecules Wake Up Eye Serum, the Wayne Goss brush, which again, these are not cheap, so I'm super excited to have that in here. And the last product, the VDL Metal Cushion Primer. So super exciting. I really like my bag this year. Hopefully we'll get it again next year. I tried to get the XL bag, but when I was about to check out, it was sold out already. So I went with this one. So still super excited. Let me know what you guys got in your bag, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks. Bye.